Hi everyone, my name is Grace So and I'm an Angelic Reiki Master and Intuitive Counselor. I will be channeling some Reiki energy to help you this week with a focus on celebration. Okay, so the universe is asking that you get ready and celebrate. Christmas time or Hanukkah is a time of celebration. So you may be getting invitations to dance, play, or be with others. Instead of being afraid or living in fear of each other or making excuses to not get together, allow yourself to celebrate. It may not be the same as before with all the lockdowns and all the masking, so do what you can to be safe but still celebrate. Why? Because celebration brings joy in your life, and the frequency of joy reminds you of who you are, which is light. Because joy is light, and joy is happiness, and joy is freedom. You know, our human hearts have the capacity to embody more and more joy. It is infinite in terms of that type of experience. It is not meant to suffer or be in pain. There is only so much your body can take in terms of suffering or pain before it finally gives out, and you as a being will have to leave because the body can no longer accommodate any more pain or suffering. So why not try something different? Try bringing joy back into your life by letting go of all the struggles, all the anxiety, all the loneliness of the past, and leave it by the wayside and try this other path, the path of celebration and the path of joy. All right? You will find that your human heart can actually travel distances that can touch and ignite joy in others and even on the other side of the planet. So when you celebrate, you can bring light into your body and in the world. Joy is a high vibrational frequency that can also bring healing. It is magnetic and it is powerful. It even attracts miracles. So if you're ready, I'd like you to close your eyes and take a nice, deep, relaxing breath. Inhale and exhale. And let go of any thoughts from your mind as you receive this Angelic Reiki Healing Transmission, which will help guide you into celebrating with joy. So I'd like you to slowly bring your consciousness back in the room. Take a nice deep breath, inhale and exhale. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell for notifications of my videos as they are released. And I wish you guys have a wonderful week filled with angelic blessings. Okay everyone, see you next week.